This one I'm going to show you how to disable the DRLs in the headlights. They're not on all the time when your headlights are off. Sorry about all the cars, can't really help it. So, on mine, you can't see it because the fender well is still in there, and you can't go underneath because of there. But I'll show you on my brother's car. Okay, so with the wheel turned, I could show you. His inner fender well got ripped off. Forgot how, but anyway. So behind your bumper, you'll find this metal box right there, and you can see the connector right here. So you're going to find yours and just unplug it, zip tie it to the side. You can see the zip tie still there, but that's about it. Disconnect that and DRLs are done.